Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tech.
Today we will be discussing how to set up YouTube TV on your Amazon Fire Stick. Are you tired of cable bills but still want access to live TV? YouTube TV might just be the solution you're looking for. It offers a wide range of channels, cloud DVR storage, and the convenience of streaming on your favorite devices, including the Amazon Fire Stick. In this video, we'll walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to download, install, and start enjoying YouTube TV on your Fire Stick. We'll cover everything from finding the app in the Amazon App Store to logging in and customizing your viewing experience. But before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Roam Tech for more tech tutorials and tips. Your support helps us create more content like this.
Okay, let's get started.
Section 1. Finding and downloading the YouTube TV app. Alright, the first step is finding and downloading the YouTube TV app from the Amazon App Store. 1. Turn on your Fire Stick and go to the home screen. You should see a row of apps and a search bar. 2. Navigate to the Find section. It's usually located on the main menu bar. 3. Select Search.
Asterisk.
4. Type in YouTube TV using the on-screen keyboard. 5. Select YouTube TV from the search results. Make sure you select the official YouTube TV app, and not just the regular YouTube app. 6. Click Get or Download to install the app. The download and installation process may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Section 2. Installing and opening the app. Great, now that the app is downloaded, let's install and open it. 1. Once the download is complete, the Get button will change to Open. Click Open to launch the YouTube TV app. 2. Alternatively, you can find the YouTube TV app on your home screen or in your apps library. Just navigate to where your apps are listed and select YouTube TV. Section 3. Logging in to YouTube TV. Now, it's time to log in to your YouTube TV account. 1. When you open the YouTube TV app for the first time, you'll be prompted to sign in. 2. You'll see a few options for logging in. Choose the one that's most convenient for you. You will typically have two options ***. Option 1. Use your phone or computer. This is usually the easiest option. You'll be given a code on your TV screen and instructions to visit a website, usually youtube.com/activate, on your phone or computer and enter the code. Option 2. Sign in on your TV. This option lets you manually enter your Google account email and password directly on your Fire Stick. If you choose this, make sure you have your login credentials handy. 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the login process. Section 4. Navigating YouTube TV on Fire Stick. Fantastic! You're now logged in to YouTube TV on your Fire Stick. Let's quickly go over the basics of navigating the app. 1. Home tab ***. This is where you'll find personalized recommendations based on your viewing history, upcoming recordings, and suggested shows. 2. Live tab ***. This shows you what's currently airing on all the channels included in your YouTube TV subscription. You can scroll through the guide to see what's on now and what's coming up. 3. Library tab ***. Here you'll find all your recorded programs and shows you've added to your library. 4. Search tab ***. Use this to search for specific shows, movies, or channels. Section 5. Customizing your viewing experience. Okay, let's quickly touch on customizing your YouTube TV experience on Fire Stick. 1. Managing channels ***. You can customize your channel guide by removing channels you don't watch. To do this, go to your profile settings and find the Live Guide option. 2. Setting up recordings ***. When you find a show you want to record, simply click on it and select Add to Library. YouTube TV will automatically record all future episodes of that show. 3. Adjusting video quality ***. If you're experiencing buffering or have limited bandwidth, you can adjust the video quality in the app settings. Conclusion. And that's it. You've successfully set up YouTube TV on your Amazon Fire Stick. Now you can enjoy live TV, sports, news, and more, all without a traditional cable box. We hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, please leave a comment down below. We're always happy to help. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Roam Tech for more awesome tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.